Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active Max, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. So unpairing is useful if you, for example, want to pair your watch with different phone, or maybe you want to sell the watch or give it to somebody and you want to disconnect it from your account basically, and of course a phone as well. And to unpair the watch, you can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with your watch, then tap on device, scroll down, and then tap on this big unpair button. Here, as you can see, we have a warning. And basically, if you unpair the watch, it will reset to the factory default settings and remove all of your data from the watch. But you can keep to, or rather choose to retain some data on your watch. We can basically select different types of data right here, and we have local music, maps, App Store apps, watch faces, and workout history. If you want to retain any types of data, just select them and then tap on Unpair, tap on OK, Unpair, and the watch will start unpairing, and basically it will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. As you can see, it disappeared from the device page. Now we can close the application. And just in case, we can check the Bluetooth settings and see if the watch is right here. It's not, but if it was right here on the list of, let's say, connected devices, you will need to tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on the forget device, and basically remove it from this list. As you can see, in my case, it wasn't, and probably in yours it won't be either, but I recommend to check it just in case. Okay, and then we can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.